Introducing Snowstone TechSlate Flooring Minimalist Beauty Swiss Performance. When it comes to flooring, durability, appearance, and practicality all matter. Traditional flooring often struggles with expansion, visible transitions between rooms, and vulnerability to water or fire damage. Many also lack acoustic insulation or sustainability. TechSlate Flooring, performance without compromise. Crafted in Switzerland, TechSlate Flooring offers a seamless, resilient solution that meets the demands of both residential and commercial spaces. It can be installed across areas up to 10,000 square feet without transitions, creating a unified and elegant visual flow. Key advantages: scratch and water resistant, fire retardant, low maintenance and hygienic, excellent, heat retention, ideal for underfloor heating, naturally quiet with noise reducing structure, recyclable and eco-friendly, perfect for homes, restaurants, retail shops, medical offices, salons, museums, and even saunas. TechSlate handles heavy foot traffic without compromising aesthetics. Snowstone, light, calm, and contemporary. Among the most versatile colors in the TechSlate collection, Snowstone offers a soft gray palette with subtle stone-like veining. From the image, it reveals a delicate blend of off-white and mineral gray, giving it a cool and contemporary feel. This neutral tone works beautifully in both minimalist and classic interiors, reflecting natural light and enhancing spaciousness. Whether you're designing a tranquil living area or a high-end commercial environment, Snowstone provides the clean sophistication of natural stone with the performance of next-generation flooring. Sustainable flooring that lasts. TechSlate is made from 100% natural materials, ensuring a healthy indoor climate while supporting green building goals. TechSlate Flooring is certified with the Blue Angel, the world's first and most recognized eco-label for environmentally friendly products. It's fully recyclable, free of harmful chemicals, and designed for long-term use, even in demanding spaces. Experience Snowstone TechSlate today. Upgrade your space with the refined look and reliable durability of Snowstone TechSlate Flooring. Order samples today at icorkfloor.com and discover flooring engineered for beauty and built to last.